keys.
Look at Grandpa. Look at make a funny face. Yeah. Grandpa.
Did she take some of the toys to the shop?
Well, that's what I have on notes on the top of there. Take toys. So.
They want to play and
Well, Dennis and Marge are probably around, but Michelle won't. It's a Buzz Lightyear. Look!
yeah, it's a hockey puck. You need to look at your hockey stick. Here, you can put it in your hippo. Put it in
Put
there.
it in there. Yeah. Put it in. You didn't like that guy?
Like, do something like something. Pull it out. Can you help?
Cameron.